All right, welcome back. It's February 9th, Monday. I had high hopes for today. Did not work out very well. I traded 7 o'clock last night, got destroyed. I actually already recorded a recap of that, so I'll go through that in a second. After that recording, I actually took one quick trade on the other two accounts that I have, and I got it. Went up 140 in each, so it's nothing really. Call it break-even day. Kind of blew up though on the other accounts. One of those things. One of the things I got to help take care of. The way I look at it is pretty unlucky. I guess I could say that, but enjoy the recap, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. So as you can see, two accounts copy traded. One's a fresh PA, 1,300 in the red for both. Great start. If we go back to the evening, we had a nice push up. This should have been my red flag on the 5-minute. I should have probably just stayed out of trying to go long, but I had a pretty long bias here. Yeah, right here. So I saw this. It pushed back about the 90-minute. It held it. So I took a long right here. This sums up my trading because this position ends up being the future top of the range, as you can see. Regardless, I put my stop down here, and I even moved it a little bit more. I didn't record this. I should have, but took me out to the tick. Great, whatever. Then I see this play out, this sort of divergence here. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to wait till it pushes back up, closes above the 9. I'm going to take this. So I took this trade. I actually got into some decent profit, and I thought about taking profit because I was down like $700 here or something big. Because at least I can make some money back here, What was this actually? 258 to... Yeah, 35, quite a bit. $600-700. Anyways, I held. I put my stop below here this time, and as you can see, it took me out. So at this point, I kind of just said, yeah, I'm done for the day. I was down quite bad. And then we get down to here, and then I actually took a screenshot because there was I deleted it now, but a 30-second order block here. And I'm like, you know what? I'm going to take this trade. And I, this was great. Here's a screenshot. I put my position here. And I think it was within 2 points. It was like 94. Yeah, 94. It missed. And as you can see, my trade would have been to the top of the range. Would have been perfect, but I missed it. This was on the other account too, so it wasn't even on the same account. I missed that, which was like wonderful. At this point, I should have stopped trading, but the Superbowl was awful. So I said, why not just keep trading? Got nothing better to do. So we still had another divergence playing out here, and I'm like, okay. So I took it long. Almost to the tick, I got stopped out. At that point, I was kind of getting annoyed. So then I took another long, and to the tick I got taken out, and both times that would have been a pretty decent trade. So at that point I closed the laptop. I said, you know what, I'm gonna go open a beer and go back to watching the shit Super Bowl. Yeah, so that's basically it. Wasn't actually all that tilted because it's like, what are the chances I get stopped out to the tick on this one, and then I lower the my stop loss, and I get stopped out there too. So I was like, what are you going to do? What are you going to do?